Did you know that eating apples can have numerous health benefits? Here are just a few reasons why you should consider adding apples to your diet. Firstly, apples are high in fiber. Eating fiber can help keep your digestive system running smoothly and can also help you feel full, which may aid in weight management. Additionally, apples are a great source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the development of diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Apples are also easy to find and convenient to eat. They're available at most grocery stores and can be eaten on the go, making them a great snack option for busy people. Finally, apples are versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. You can eat them raw, bake them into a dessert, or even add them to a savory dish. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, consider reaching for an apple. Your body will thank you. Apples also come in many different varieties, each with its own unique taste and texture. Some are crisp and tart, while others are sweet and juicy. And if you have the opportunity, consider visiting an apple orchard to pick your own apples. Not only is it a fun activity, but you'll also get to enjoy the fresh, seasonal taste of the fruit. Finally, apples can be a great ingredient in healthy recipes. You can use them to make homemade applesauce or add them to a smoothie for a natural sweetness. So, whether you're looking for a healthy snack or a delicious ingredient for your next recipe, apples are a great choice. With their many health benefits and versatility, there's no reason not to add them to your diet today.